Differentiate the following function with respect to x. Function is cos x upon log x, where x is strictly greater than 0. Let fx equals to cos x upon log x. Apply the quotient rule of differentiation. Hence, f dash x equals to d by dx of cos x into log x minus d by dx of log x into cos x whole upon log x the whole square. D by dx of cos x is sin x and d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Hence we get f dash x equals to minus sin x into log x minus cos x into 1 by x whole upon log x the whole square. Take minus 1 common, hence this is minus into x sin x log x plus cos x whole upon x log x the whole square, which is the final answer. Thank you.